This is O'Connor, Global Sources Launchpad. Yes, you got us. And I'm with Kendy. I'm with Kendy of GPD Company Limited. That's a Shenzhen GPD Technology Limited. And guess what they make? What is this?
This is our new product, GPD Win, handheld PC.
Wow, that's amazing.
Game console.
Sorry to interrupt, but this is an amazing unit. Like, you know, 6-7 years ago, you would have seen this on smartphones, and they weren't made for plugging into a 20-inch monitor or a 30-inch monitor. They weren't made to have Windows, but also have game controlling. And it's not as they weren't as powerful, but this is more powerful. And you've had over 2,300 backers on Indiegogo, so funding for about over $700,000 US funding, right? That's amazing. And so you have managed to actually ship the product to your backers already, right?
No, of Indiegogo we will start shipping this month.
Start shipping this month.
Yeah,
on time?
Yeah, of course.
Oh wow, that's amazing. That's always a challenge for startups. Got a great product, got great backers, great price, but now you have to get a physical good from point A to point B, and it has to work in the hands of the backer. Always a big challenge, but it looks like you've got this challenge well done, and part of the reason is you're partnering with factories in China, right? Your company is working closely with the factory in China?
Yeah, in one city, in the same city.
Which city?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so the big challenge I would submit maybe in the marketing and distribution. What is your plan for marketing and distribution?
We hope can find more distributor
Right.
all over the world, such as USA,
right,
and Japan,
right,
and Europe.
And so far, have you had any interest at this startup launchpad for interest from buyers or distributors in this product?
Yeah, we already have many distributors.
Right.
In Germany.
Already.
And
wow.
Japan.
Wow.
And France.
Wow.
And USA also we have a distributor. But we hope can develop
You want more?
Yeah.
You want more. And so tell me, Kendy, what is your big challenge now?
I think it's the promote this product.
Promote this product.
Let more people know this wonderful product.
And it is wonderful. Like, have a look closely. Can you see that? That is a Windows screen. That is Windows 10, right?
Yeah, Windows 10.
It's Windows 10. That's not Windows 9 or Windows 8. And look, see, Windows 10. Wow. And such a small device. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so your challenge is promotion. And okay, so you've gone through Indiegogo. And you got over 2,300 backers. What is one or two things of feedback that you have received from the Indiegogo, or actually people that have seen this in the last 2 days? What is the big feedback you have received?
The biggest feedback should be, I hope it can add the phone function. Add SIM.
Oh no! Everyone wants everything. Wow, it's amazing. Well, you know, 6-7 years ago we had smartphones that did that. They tried to do Windows. They really didn't do Windows very well. This does Windows very, very well. And now all your backers are saying, oh, we want a SIM card option, right?
Yeah.
What? So then suddenly, wait, hello? Is that?
So you don't need another phone. You just need
the one. Then you got your computer and you got all in one.
Yeah.
Wow, we all want all in one these days, don't we? Well, Kendy, congratulations on the Indiegogo campaign. 2,300 more backers. Amazing, amazing. You've got distributors around the world at the moment. You're looking for more.
Yeah.
You've got feedback for ideas for developing a new product.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. This is O'Connor, Startup Launchpad. Catch you in the next booth.